Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to be telling you about how you can get FC26 in your PC and laptop in 2026. So let's get started. In order to do this, make sure you have Steam installed in your PC. In order to install Steam, what you have to do is open any web browser you like. For my case, I'm just going to use Microsoft Edge and search for Steam download. Once you do this, just click on this download button which is below welcome to Steam. Just click on this and click on install Steam. Once you do this, this will install an installer for Steam, and after you run the installer, it will install Steam in the default location. Once the installation completes, you will find the Steam application on your desktop here. Just run this application and this will open your Steam. Just search FC26 and hit enter, and here you will find EA Sports FC26. Just click on this and click on download. Once you click on download, it will ask you to download the game in your PC. After you do this, this will complete the installation, and after installation you will find the application on your desktop here. Once you do this, just run the application and the game should be working properly and smoothly. So yes, this is it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.